Well, hello. Today we have this Jacob's rubber flex Lathe Collet set, and yeah, I'm going to show you the condition. Over here we have the Jacob's G930. Over here we have also the G930. It has some signs of marks. Over here we have the CP917 and the CP918, and over here the CP920. Over here we have the G914. And over here the G912. Over here the G912W. And over here the G910W. And over here are the measurements written on it. It's made in the United States of America, and it comes in this original box. So I hope that somebody can use this collet set, and thanks for watching.